City is trying to get back on the road.
Town City trying to get back on the road.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
I got a heart attack.
Get out. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. 1037. Hey, get out of the car. I'll get an ambulance over here. Get out of the car.
Okay, please.
Stop.
Please stop. Please.
Get out.
Please, I'm trying to call somebody
Okay,
to get my diabetes. I'm trying to call somebody, I promise.
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
Stop! I got diabetes. I was trying to stop.
Give me your other hand.
Ryan! Please stop! I'm just trying to get my daughter. Ryan! Please let me call somebody.
I'm 1015 on Mount City. Stop.
Please, I'm just trying to answer the phone. Please stop. Please stop. No, stop.
Stop.
Ow.
Go to.
Please stop. Please, I'm just trying to answer the phone. Brian.
Vehicle's clear.
Brian, stop. What is wrong with you?
Get in the back of the car. Quit.
What the fuck is
Quit.
wrong with you? Why?
Get in the back of this car.
You didn't even ask for my information.
I don't care about your information. Get in the back of this car.
Please, wait.
Get in the
please,
car.
Just,
Get in the car.
just shoot me now.
Right now, get in this
Just
car.
shoot me now. Just shoot.
Get in the car.
Stop. No, wait.
Move.
Why are you hurting me?
Put your foot inside this car. Put your foot in the car. I'm 1015. Have one of my unit vehicles clear. Next 1011.
Sir, you don't understand. Sir, you don't understand. Please, can you loosen the cuffs?
I need a 1016. They're saying they're diabetic. Requesting a 1016.
Please loosen the cuffs.
I will when
Please
somebody else
loosen
gets
the
here.
cuffs.
I will when somebody else gets here.
Please. I'm not going to do anything, please.
Okay,
What
well,
is wrong with y'all?
I just had to fight
What
you.
is wrong with y'all? I was not trying to fight.
Okay. Well, you
I was
were.
not trying to fight. Please, let me call somebody. Please, let me call somebody.
copy Tennessee, Boyd Paul Nora 1109. Boyd Paul Nora 1109. What's going on, buddy? Yeah. 10-4. We're at the entrance to 40 on Mound City. What, buddy?
You got somebody else getting something?
No. I have an ambulance coming for you, okay?
What's wrong with y'all, man? I didn't even do anything.
So you pulled over?
I didn't do nothing to y'all.
You pulled over?
I wasn't even speeding.
Okay.
What is wrong